Hey everyone, this is Sean Batchelor, and this is my review of my Project 1 assignment for Visual Frameworks, Term 1402. I have a simple app here, and it's an app that displays an array containing quotes. It has a main background view right here, just blue, and then it has two buttons with labels on them. It's fairly simple. When it gets to the end, it starts over. This is the beginning slide right here. So when it goes to 0, then it starts over at the end of the last index of my array, and vice versa when I get to the end of the array. This is my main code right here. The main code, the bootstrap file, contains pretty much the basic core of my app, my views, my windows, my labels, and then adding the labels to the views and opening the window, adding the views to the window too. It also has a call to load my secondary JavaScript file, which is bgcode.js. And this file here contains the array that has the actual array that displays the text in my main view, my array view. And then it has a label here that I created for the array and two functions. And the functions serve as determining what happens when you click the next or previous button. They have two if conditional statements that simply recycles the variable I, and when it gets to the end of the array, it turns that instead of iterating and adding an extra one, it turns it back into a 0 so we can start over, and vice versa when we go the other way. When it gets to the end of the array, instead of going negative, it assigns the last index of the array to the variable I, and that's what I use to make the buttons work. It's fairly simple, straightforward. Didn't have too much problems when I was doing it, just trying to avoid using loops. And the only problem I had was I was using the wrong variable to iterate, but I quickly snapped out of that and I got it to work, so it's fine now. Again, this is Sean Batchelor, and it's a review of my Project 1 assignment for Visual Frameworks, Term 1402.